Hey, could you do me a favor and remind me never to drive in the snow again? I've been on the road 2.5 hours. I'm on 82, and I have to keep it in a low gear to go down the hill. And then when I'm going uphill, if I try and go like 35, it starts fishtailing all over. So the tires aren't good for this. This is crazy. I just can't believe it. I am still fishtailing all over if I try and go up the hills, like even almost 40. It's just horrible out. It's horrible. And obviously these tires are not good. Driving just fine, no problems. I have a special gear, so I just put it in that and it just holds me back. I don't have to use the brakes at all. And every time I use the brakes, the ABS is kicking in so that it doesn't slide. So I'll just tell your dad that.
Liquor is liquor, kids are kids, and kids watch TV. Now